Learners, in the last lecture we have studied about the equations of motion under velocity time graph. First two equations of motion such that v minus u is equal to at, and it was the first equation of motion which show the velocity time relationship, and the second equation of motion s is equal to ut plus half at square, which represent position time relationship. Now today we have to make study about the derivation of third equation of motion from the same velocity time graph. So you may write here third equation of motion, or v square minus u square is equal to 2as, or they may ask the question as derive the equation for position velocity relationship. Position velocity relationship. It means you have to derive v square minus u square is equal to 2as under VT graph, velocity time graph. Is it clear? So whatever the statement they have given in the question, you have to read it carefully and then proceed the derivation. Okay, about the third equation of motion, as we know, for a body under uniform acceleration, suppose it travels a distance s in time t. Distance s in time t. The distance traveled by the body is given by the area under velocity time graph AB. Velocity time graph AB, whatever is the area that represents about the distance traveled by the body. And if you will see the area under velocity time graph AB, that is equal to area of trapezium. Here OABC is one kind of trapezium. Clear? So you have to write here distance traveled as is equal to what? Area of trapezium OABC is equal to area of trapezium OABC. That is S is equal to, you have studied in the mathematics also, the idea of trapezium is simply half into sum of parallel sides into height, half into sum of parallel sides sometime here they used to write here instead of height distance between or perpendicular distance between two parallel sides. So as per the diagram, S is equal to half of sum of parallel sides. In the diagram, a trapezium OABC, OA and BC are two parallel sides. So you may write here OA plus BC into height or perpendicular distance between two parallel sides, that is equal to AD. Is it clear? As per the formula of trapezium, area of trapezium half of sum of parallel sides into height. Okay. Now here OA is equal to DC is equal to initial velocity u, and BC having value v, and AD is equal to OC is equal to T. Therefore, S is equal to 1 by 2 OA U plus V into T. Is it clear? Okay. Now you have to note down on the notebooks from the first equation of motion. V minus U is equal to AT, or T is equal to V minus U upon A. Now you have to substitute this value of T in the above equation. So we will get here, therefore S is equal to 1 by 2 U plus V into V minus U upon A. Denominator you have to replace towards the left side. You will get here 2AS is equal to U plus V into V minus U. Further one, you will solve U plus V into V minus U. You will get (2AS) is equal to UV minus U square plus VU plus v square minus uv, or v square minus u square is equal to 2as. This is all about the third equation of motion we have derived here. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. Clear? Okay.